Hello guys and welcome back to our channel. Today I will show you how to set up Shopify payments. So in order to do this, first of all log into your Shopify dashboard and click on settings button at the bottom left corner of the screen. Now click on the payments icon and it will take you to this page. So this is where you will choose how customers can pay you, and Shopify payments is right at the top. So click on choose a provider button and you'll be taken to this page where you'll have to simply search for your provider and choose the desired provider. Then click on that provider's page. It will take you to that provider's page where you'll have to enter your address, click on submit, and you would have successfully connected that specific provider. Now, what you can also do is click on add payment method button here, search for a provider and add it from just right here. Now, you can also click on activate PayPal and this will take you to your PayPal page after you click on this activate button that will instantly connect your Shopify store with PayPal. So by default, Shopify payment lets you accept Visa, MasterCard and American Express. It also lets you add the Apple Pay, Google Pay and Shop Pay. Now, under the payout details, you can choose how often Shopify sends money to your bank, daily, weekly or monthly. Daily payouts are common, but weekly gives you more predictability and you will see estimated payout dates in your dashboard. Now, you can also click on add manual payment method and choose whether you want to add a bank deposit, money order or cash on delivery method. You can also choose payment capture method, whether you want it to be automatically at checkout, automatically when the entire order is fulfilled or manually. After you do this, you would have successfully set up your Shopify payments. If you found this guide helpful, please don't forget to give it a thumbs up and thanks for watching.